In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to share a PDF, a document, or another file type with your audience, doing so is a simple process with Wix. Let's dive right into it and set up your site to display the document you'd like to share. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open the Wix website editor. This is where all the exciting work begins. Once in the editor, you'll be looking at your website design and layout. The editor is your control panel, the space where you can make all necessary updates and changes to your site. Next, on the left hand side of your screen, you'll notice a side toolbar. This is the go-to place for adding and managing elements on your website. From here, look for the plus icon. It almost looks like a small friendly addition sign that beckons you to explore new possibilities for your site. Go ahead and click this icon. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, it's time to add a button to your page. Buttons are essential as they act as clickable functions your website visitors can engage with. To do this, navigate through the drop-down list that appears after clicking the plus sign. Find the category labeled button and click on it. This will reveal a range of button options that you can add to your site. Now within the button category, you will want to look for something that says document buttons or something similar. This option is tailored specifically for adding documents. It's a convenient way to ensure the button you're adding is directly linked to document functionality. Click on Document Buttons to view your options. At this point, take a moment to select the button style that you think works best for your website's design. There are typically several styles and designs available, allowing you to pick one that aligns with your overall website aesthetic. This ensures that your buttons are not just functional but also visually appealing. With your button style selected, it's time to upload your document. Look for an option that says Upload Media, usually found within the button options. Click on this to upload your file. From here, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the document you wish to upload from your files. Simply choose your document and confirm the upload. This will attach the document to your newly added button. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a document to your Wix website. Your visitors can now download or view this document with a simple click of the button you added. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it smoothly enhances the way you share information on your site. Thanks for tuning in and happy site building.